Hi, we are Compylo and this video is regarding the interview questions of Azure Analysis Services. Say if we imported data and did not see any rows in the model, but there is a warning that we have to process it. How to process the tables to see the data? Now, you will see this kind of warning which says the data for the model was not loaded. Select process table or process all from the model menu to load the data. If you see any such kind of warning in error list, then you have to navigate to the model view side on right hand side, where once you will right click, you will see an option to process as highlighted on the screen. So under process, we see three options: process partition, process table, process all. So process partition is something which we will discuss later, but for the time being, we will check process table and process all. Now, if you have to process only single table, then what you can do is you can click on that specific table, then again right click on the model view and click on process table. So it will process that single table. But say in case you want to process all the tables in the model, then what you can select is process all. Once you select any of these options, a pop-up will come which will say that processing is in progress and it will take few minutes to process the data. And once processing is successful, you will see this kind of pop-up. After that, you can click on close button. So that is how you can process a single table or all the tables in one specific model. Thank you.